Bowel cancer is the second biggest cancer killer. Around 13,000 UK citizens die every year from the disease. And if detected early, then 9 out of 10 cases can be treated successfully.
To put it all in perspective, as many people as this White Hart Lane Stadium hosts is diagnosed with bowel cancer in UK every year.
We are working with 6 PCTs in our sector, and unfortunately we have some of the worst survival outcomes for colorectal cancer in London and indeed nationally. So this is a really important piece of work for us in terms of improving 1 and 5 year survival.
I think we have to be realistic. We can make contributions, we can play a part. I don't think we're going to change the world, but there's some very important messages to get out there. And I think between Tottenham and ourselves, we're well placed to provide those messages.
We can raise awareness by delivering the message that early intervention is really important. Our role is to raise awareness, make sure that people know what the symptoms are, because the research shows that only about a quarter of the population knows that.
Well, I'm a bowel cancer survivor, and I know from my own experience how important it is to discover symptoms early, because the link between early diagnosis and a good outcome is proven.
Basically, I feel that a lot of people have neglected this topic, and a lot of people do die of it just because they don't actually know what it entails.
And this is a good cause. It does concern each and every one of us, even though we don't know about it yet, but that's why we're here, that's why I'm here.
I try to initiate as much contact, one-to-one contact with every single individual on streets, on buses, and talk about the problem.
I love going to the pubs. And pubs are great because so you're hitting your target audience every time and you get a great reaction, especially when you say you're from Tottenham Hotspur.
We show unity for one, which is a powerful message, so people know that it's important.
We've got a target audience. We've got 60,000 fans here every game. Through our community department, we reach around another 70,000 every year. Much of those are repeat contacts. You know, we're quite well positioned to put some important messages across. And it's the same for Tottenham.
We know that Tottenham Hotspur and indeed Arsenal have already done some really amazing and influential work through and with local communities, and we want to build on their reputation and their work to actually deliver the key messages into the heart of our local communities.
I believe that we, as a football club, we can reach the pockets of the population in our community that health professionals find very hard to reach.
There's nearly 100,000 people coming in through the front doors, so if we can get that message to all of those people who wouldn't otherwise find out about the diagnosis of bowel cancer, then that's a massive impact that we can make together.
It's not the rivalry that you'd see on the pitch. It's a completely different level. It's a community level, and indeed, you know, the issues that we're talking about, particularly around bowel cancer, you know, it's, you know, they're life or death issues, and you know, they're more important than football in that sense. So it's, you know, I feel proud to link up with our rivals in that sense. Yeah.
The fact is that we might be North London rivals on the pitch, but hey, when there's something worth shouting about, we work together very well, actually.
It's tolerable, yeah. I think just too much is made out of it, really.
I think we can cope with it on this occasion.